Hi everyone. I'm reading this article. It says uh, a robot can replace a worker for only 75 cents an hour because it runs pretty much 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for 52 weeks a year without needing breaks. So this article is on calculating ROI, and it says think long term because robots are flexible dynamic machines. ROI may be difficult to pin down but not possible. Take it from someone who's been around the robotics blog a few times. Robotic system cumulative cash flow. This is the cash flow for the robotic system. And so it's a 15-year scale of it's for 15 year, and you can see that the cumulative cash flow from robots is 3 million because so also they have this robotic system value calculator, and it says so the total installation cost is $250,000, and if you get two of them, um is it for two? I think it's for two, and there's two shifts, 5 days per week, 50 weeks a year. Annual labor cost per operator is 45,000, and if you have two operators, person labor retained to operate system per shift 10%. So the expected productivity gain, spindle utilization is 17%, and expected productivity gain, automation versus manual production 10%. So people think of the cost of a robot at 60,000 to 70,000, but they don't think of the benefits. You're getting a skilled laborer that can work around the clock doing a repetitive job the same way every time for consistent operation, which is a key element of production efficiency. Total cost of ownership. First 3 to 4 years, 5,000 bucks per year in preventative maintenance. After fourth year, 5,000 PM mainly for replacement of wear item. Next 3 to 4 years, 5,000 per year. So this is the typical maintenance. Um, so during the first few years of robotic life, there's hardly any maintenance cost at all, just a matter of some oil and grease that you add to the system. As time goes on, you may have some internal cables in the robotic arm that have worn and need to be replaced. There is an incremental cost for that, and maybe 10 to 12 years into the project that the entire robot will have to be refurbished for a portion of the robotic cost. So, referring to the cash flow analysis chart for a typical material handling system with two robots, you can see the nominal maintenance cost through year four, then the 10,000 incremental cost for replacement of worn components in year five. So basically, it says that the total installation cost is 250,000, maintenance is 1,000 bucks, operating is 6,000, and so the labor saving is 160,000, productivity saving 43,000, and so the yearly cost flow is negative 51. I think the labor saving is because one labor is like 45 thousand, but this is including working nights and 24 hours a day. So I guess at the end you're making 3 million. Although this example uses a medium-sized robot, this calculation can be used with other robot payloads. Porter says that the cost to operate a small 10 kg robot is about 15 cents an hour at a very large robot. 500 kg is 1.50. And there are indirect saving as well. That says it is pretty efficient, and then you can it's just good.